Hey students, welcome back. This is Rinkoo. You're watching me on your favorite channel, Learn with Rinkoo ma'am. Did you just watch my earlier video in which I had explained contractions using will? No? Then go to the description box below and check out that video. This video has some more important contractions that are commonly used in English language. You must be thinking, are contractions so important? Let me tell you, yes, contractions are really hard to listen, but they are definitely used in spoken English. So it is really very important to understand how to use them correctly so that next time when you speak in English, you should be more confident. So let's get started.
A contraction is when we take two words and combine them to make one shorter word. The contractions that are commonly used in the English language are formed by combining a pronoun and a be verb. We make use of apostrophe mark to make contractions. Do watch my previous video of punctuation marks to understand this better. Now let's check some interesting examples of contraction. See the first example. I plus am becomes am. I'm enjoying pizza with my friends. The next example. They plus are becomes their. They are doing yoga together in the garden. See the next example. You plus are becomes your. You're a perfect dentist for my kid. Now the next one. We plus are becomes we are. We are crossing the road with our teacher. Now the next one. It plus is becomes its. It's a perfect place to read books. See the next example. He plus is becomes his. He's doing his homework. Now here is one last example. She plus is becomes she's. She's preparing the batter to bake a cake.
I hope you understood very well, and now while using these contractions you will be a little more confident than earlier. Like my video and don't forget to share it with your friends if you liked it. Have you subscribed my channel? No? Then do it just now. And also let me know in the comment section what you like about my video the most. This will keep me motivated to make some more interesting videos for you. Don't forget, new video will be uploaded every single Tuesday of the week. Till then, you go and watch all my other videos. I'll go and make another interesting video for you. With this, yours only, Rinkoo ma'am, signing off.